That's one of the better measured cuts I've done. Hey everyone, welcome back to another van build video.
Last episode you saw us do our cabinets, which was really exciting, and then today
we are going to be putting our shiplap up. We've got it all back here. We spent the week painting it. We have 2 coats of our paint on, so hopefully that's enough, and we're going to be getting it all prepped up today.
Yay!
Yay!
So we just added more furring strips to frame out this window so that we can put our shiplap over it. Killed it.
Right now we are creating a notch in our shiplap so it'll work for our windowsill.
So it'll frame it right here. See that little measurement you guys did?
It's beautiful. Worksmanship right here.
Craftsmanship.
No, I'm calling it worksmanship.
Besides it falling, that was good. So this is our friend Jackson. He's helping us for the day, and if you want to know anything about him, I told him that he is the grandpa on Everybody Loves Raymond. Right now we are using white putty, because of course Sam's dad has white putty laying around the garage, and we are going to cover up the staples that we just powered in there. But I can't believe that we have walls.
Look at this! We've got a full wall over here!
Hey guys, smash that like button. Hey guys, Sam and Kelly work really hard on this van, so make sure you ring that bell and smash, gently press that like button.
Look at that. That's one of the better measured cuts I've done.
Good job. Okay, it's getting a little bit darker. It's beginning to be the nighttime, but I wanted to quickly show you guys that we finished this side of the wall. Look how crazy this is. We had the high hopes of being able to do the entire van. For some reason, we thought we would be able to do the entire van today with the wall.
Absolutely ridiculous. No way.
Yeah.
No way. I have to be more realistic with my expectations for sure.
But I think because it was a struggle today, it made the end product so rewarding.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited. I think this is so dope.
Yeah.
One more view just for good measure. This view is where you can really tell.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we'll see you guys on the next day. We're just going to send you to space real quick.
Woo!
Welcome back.
We're back. Today's an exciting day.
Today we are going to be framing out our dresser. We are on our own. My father's in Big Bear. So we brought Sonny to keep us company.
Look, this is the best day ever. We get to bring our little pup, Sonny. He's gonna be our project manager today.
Yeah, and our cheerleader.
And so we might have mentioned in other videos that we were doing a full-length closet, and while you build, a lot of things change. So we are not doing that anymore, and you will see what I think is pretty genius.
Yeah, this is low-key the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Moment of truth. Let's see if this fits in here. Yes!
Oh wow, babe.
Woo!
That's awesome. Aw, you're proud of your work.
Yeah.
Sonny being peaceful.
Hey Sam, you haven't cut a finger already.
Come on, Tony! Come here.
Oh my god. Yeah! Oh, now Sonny comes. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, babe.
Look at our setup.
We got sushi, we have some drinks. Look at this.
Great Valentine's Day, babe.
I love it. I love you.
I love you.
Hey all, it's the next weekend and we are working on our kitchen today. This is the last piece of the van that has not been structured out. So if we can get this done this weekend, then we can move on to the finishing, which I'm really excited about. Also, I have a mustache.
What do we think?
Comment if I should keep it or shave it off. So just to explain what we just did, we had these furring strips that were going all the way down to the bottom. So what I actually ended up doing is I just cut it off from there. So our refrigerator right here could slide all the way to the back, but it ended up being a perfect flush with our bench right here. So it's going good so far.
When you first get this, it's gonna come with this blade. Very aggressive, used for just crude cutting, and obviously the gaps between the teeth cause all this shredding and what's referred to as tear out. Here is a replacement blade specifically for plywood. Look at how small and tight the teeth are. That's gonna cut without any tear out, but obviously you have to go a lot slower. It's a lot louder because there's more friction, and we find that we have to cut a few inches, back up a half inch, cut a few inches, back up because the teeth get clogged. Wish we had put this on at the beginning of the project, but now that we're doing the kitchen, that's where it's gonna be most visible.
Basically, we're cutting 4 pieces that are gonna be 34.5 by about 20 and a quarter, and it's gonna be depth. Oh.
Now we're gonna show you the blade in action. We are creating our notches. As usual, this is turning into quite the long day. We should have expected for this. We just finished our notches and we're going to be able to screw everything in shortly. Gonna take a lunch break and then get back at it. We got the burritos!
We got the burritos!
Burrito break.
Cool transition.
Yeah,
cool
ready?
transition where it's
And 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Oh, hell yeah. Look at this array. Best lunch ready.
New transition, ready?
Yeah.
Into the burrito.
Yeah.
We're gonna transition out of that burrito. We are done with lunch and now we are cutting up our final poplar for the bottom of the kitchen to frame it all out.
Okay,
So this piece is gonna support the fridge.
Yeah. So we're basically putting a platform on this section so the plumbing and the wires and electrical and the potential propane tube can all run underneath the fridge to its final destination.
Love to see it.
Love to see it.
Are you ready for what I'm about to show you? I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Ah! Okay, wait, let me do a better job of filming this. Wow. Okay, so imagine a beautiful view right there. We just finished our day's work and our day's adventures. We're doing a little grilling. We're gonna do a little washing, chilling with some drinks over here. Little lounge area, picture Sunny right there. Good job.
Thanks, hey, good job to you. All right, so that's it for today. I'm really proud of what we did. We have it fully framed out, and now there's nothing else to be framed out. We're ready to start moving into the next phase of this build. See you guys later.
Good morning, it's the next day, and as you can see, where's our kitchen?
Where's the kitchen?
We made the executive decision this morning that in order to have this pull-out area that we want, the little sofa sleeper area, we would need to actually reduce the kitchen a little bit by a couple inches, which Sam is super stoked about.
Yeah, the worst part is that it's wood glued to the side, and we're only removing like 2 inches, so it's like, it sucks. But we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. We don't have a choice.
I think overall we'll be much happier.
No, we'll be happier with it when we're done, but at the moment it sucks.
Yeah.
Hee hee.
Positive attitudes for this fine Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
These guys have determined that this is 3 inches too long. It's already pocketed and glued. The minute we cut these down, these will just be floating and they'll snap on the other side. Kind of like when you're putting together IKEA furniture. So we've simply clamped a fake frame around it so that these will stay stationary. We take that off, we slide it back on, we screw it back in, we're done. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes, no more.
That's an amazing attitude.
This is why you should always wood glue when you're gonna screw stuff in when you want it to really stay and be permanent. Because look, there's no screws in here whatsoever.
Screws will simply loosen over time. Ugh. Building, you know?
Not like the distance.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah.
What about that wood glue you were talking about?
You never want just one. You never want to just wood glue or just screw, but together it's an unstoppable team.
This freaking kitchen, it thought it was gonna teach us what to do.
No.
No, we taught it. We took it to school.
It's back in. Baby's back in.
A little bit shorter.
This pull-out situation can actually come all the way out.
If you hear it slip, starting to split, just stop.
Good.
There we go.
Slow and steady.
And I say do one down here.
Thanks so much for watching that video. We're really excited about all the progress. This stage has been super fun, and we've already been working on the next video, which means there's even more progress.
We're so excited to be done with phase 2 of the build and move into phase 3, which we will finally start completing the things that we've been building. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so much fun, and we really hope you check it out.
You can also check us out on Instagram at Sam and Kelly's Van. We update more regularly there, and you get to see daily updates of Sunny. So
I'm Sam.
I'm Kelly.
And this is Sunny.
He's trying to bounce out of here. It's been a long work day, but thank you guys so much for watching.
We'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I got my phone out right here. I realized I'm subscribed, but I didn't hit the bell. So hey, if I could do it, maybe you could too. Sam and Kelly put a lot of hard work into this van and their YouTube channel, so you know, is it really that much for me to ask you to hit that like button and the subscribe button and the bell?
Gently.
Look, I'm not asking you to smash it or anything. You can gently press it. However you want to do it, you can do it. But just make sure it's done, all right?
So
my father...
Do you even know what size you have on?
So my father wants me to cut his hair, and he's giving Kelly full creative control.
Well, do you want to evaluate at least what size you have on it?
No, Dad, you told us full creative control.
Yeah,
why's your face with that? Oh my god. Wait.
Why is this so filthy?